Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to look at an interesting topic. Yes, you are right, it's about AI and ML. What is AI, artificial intelligence? AI stands for artificial intelligence. It refers to machines or software that can mimic human-like intelligence to perform tasks such as learning, reasoning, problem-solving, and decision-making. Examples of AI in real life: virtual assistants, Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. Recommendation systems: Netflix suggests movies. Amazon recommends products. Chatbots. Automated customer service tools. What is machine learning, ML? Machine learning is a subset of AI. It enables machines to learn from data and improve their performance without being explicitly programmed for every task. Think of it this way. Traditional programming involves rules plus data output. Machine learning flips this: data plus output rules. How does machine learning work? At its core, ML has 3 steps. 1. Data collection. It means gathering information to train the machine. Example: images of cats and dogs. 2. Training the model means feeding the data into an algorithm to learn patterns. Example: teaching the machine to differentiate between cats and dogs. 3. Making predictions, that is, testing the model with new data. Example: showing a new picture and asking the machine to identify if it's a cat or a dog. Types of machine learning. There are 3 main types. Supervised learning. The machine learns from labeled data. Input and output are provided. Example: predicting house prices based on size, location, etc. Unsupervised learning. The machine learns from unlabeled data and finds patterns. Example: grouping customers into segments based on purchasing behavior. Reinforcement learning. The machine learns by trial and error, receiving rewards for correct actions. Example: training a robot to play chess. Why is data so important in ML? The quality of a machine learning model heavily depends on the data you provide. The phrase garbage in, garbage out explains that bad data leads to poor performance. Fun fact: did you know Netflix saves $1 billion annually by using AI to recommend shows? Their recommendation system is powered by machine learning algorithms that analyze your viewing history. If you liked the video, please subscribe my channel to get more videos like this. Thanks for watching.